It's spooky season. Grab your seasonal drinks and let's get ready for the best month of the year.
Team M2O has brewed up some real tricks and treats to make sure that your Halloween season is a scream.
Let's talk decorations. If you are looking for a big lawn showstopper, we recommend something inflatable because as much as we love Lewis, these little boxes are a lot easier to store. If you care about sustainability, don't want to break the bank on seasonal decor, or just love crafting, consider doing a DIY project. There are so many you can find on Pinterest. You can get great supplies at thrift stores, and it's a great seasonal activity. If you have limited storage space but love decorating for the holidays, choose something that's a little more versatile than something more specific. That way you can keep it up all fall long.
If you're somebody that likes to costume for Halloween, we've got a couple of different tips for you. If you want to go the DIY route, try to find stuff at thrift stores or things that you have at home. And then if you need to find something cheap to go along with it, this is always a good option. If you are going to DIY, make sure that you give yourself some extra time though to do hair and makeup tests and make sure that everything works together. However, if you just need a last minute option, buying something from the store is not a bad idea, especially when it can look as good as this. If you're doing a group costume, let everybody know far in advance so that they can all plan their own costumes. Some people might want to make their own, and some people might want to buy from the store. Trick or treat, it's time to plan for the 31st. Are you going to be home to hand out candy, or do you need to set out a bowl? Consider buying candy that has gluten-free or nut-free options as well, or maybe more just treats instead, like this. Also, make sure you're planning your route as well. You always want to mark those houses that give out the full-size candy bars. I always forget to save up for my favorite season, so make sure that you are budgeting properly for when spooky season comes around. And don't forget, there are 2 other holiday seasons right after this that you also should probably save some money for. So there you have it. Now you are prepared for a spooktacular Halloween.
Happy Halloween, happy haunting, and enjoy your treasures.
For more ways our organizers can be of assistance, check out the rest of our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram at Mission to Organize. See you guys next time.